Hey guys, if you're looking for how you can run GoLang programs in your favorite Visual Studio Code, then you are in the right place. Watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you step-by-step process to configure Visual Studio Code for running Go programs correctly. And I'm also gonna show you how you can run two basic GoLang program in Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 machine. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to download and install the latest version of Go. To download it, copy this link. I have provided this link in the video description. Now open up your favorite web browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit enter. As you are already well aware that Go is an open source programming language developed by a team at Google, and this is the official page for downloading the latest version of Go. Now click on this big blue download button. It will redirect you to Go downloads page. Here click on Microsoft Windows download option for Go. And now you can see our Go installer MSI file is started downloading here. It's around 115 MB file. It will take some time to download. All depends on your internet connection speed. Our Go installer setup file is downloaded successfully. Click on Show in folder. Let me expand the window. We need to install this file. Simply double click on this file and it will start the setup wizard. Let me close all other windows so that we can focus on installation part. It says welcome to the Go programming language setup wizard, and now click on next button. Accept the license agreement and click on next button. No need to change anything here. Again click on next button. It says ready to install Go programming language. Now we can finally click on install button. Click on yes. It will start the installation process. It will take some time to install. And finally click on finish button. Good job. Now let's check Go is working or not. Click on Windows button, then type cmd and then click on command prompt. Here type Go space version and press enter. And if you see something like this, then congratulations, you have successfully installed Go on your Windows 10 machine correctly. Now I'll show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. You can skip this part if you already installed Visual Studio Code and directly jump to GoLang configuration part. Copy this link and open your browser and paste the copied link into the address bar and hit enter. This is the official page for downloading Visual Studio Code. To download it, click on this blue download for Windows button. And now you can see our vscode installer exe file is started downloading here. It's around 61 MB file at the time of recording. It will take some time to download. Our vscode installer setup file is downloaded successfully. Click on this down arrow and select Show in folder. We need to install this file. Simply double click on this file and it will start the setup wizard. Let me close all other windows so that we can focus on installation part. Here accept the license agreement and click on next button. Just leave it as default for the destination folder. Just make sure you have at least 250 MB of free disk space available and then click on next button. No need to change anything here, just click on next. Check create a desktop icon and again click on next. And finally click on install button. It will take some time to install. And finally click on finish button. And it's all done here. We have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. You can open the Visual Studio Code by pressing Windows button and write Visual Studio Code and click on Visual Studio Code app. Okay, now let's configure Visual Studio Code for running Go program. For that, firstly we need to install Code Runner extension in Visual Studio Code. Press this button and in the search bar type Code Runner and choose the first option. Now press on this small green install button. To run the code, you can press Ctrl Alt N, and to stop the code from running, you can press Ctrl Alt M. Now in the search bar, type Go and select the first option. Make sure it is from Google and press on this small install button. It will install Go debugging and code formatting support. Wait for it to install. And it's all done here. Now let's write some basic Go program in the Visual Studio Code for testing. Now click on the New File button and click on File and select Save As. Choose your preferred directory. I am selecting desktop here. Give a name to your file. I am writing subscribe.go. Just don't forget to add .go at the end of the file for GoLang code. Otherwise it won't work. And then click on Save. The first time when we save a Go program in VS Code, then a pop-up will appear asking you to install required build assets. Click on Install All. And it will install 14 mentioned tools such as G-Code, Go Outline, Go Symbols, and etc. It will take some time to complete. And now you can see it says all tools successfully installed. You are ready to go. Now we can code our first Go program. Let me quickly type a basic Go program that prints subscribe now. Don't forget to save your program before running. To run the program, you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus N or simply click on this small play button. And it works. See, subscribe now is printed here. If you followed the steps in this video and reach until here, I'm assuming this method has been working for you. So I'm requesting you to please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything, but it will definitely boost my morale for making more such videos. Okay, let's create another program which takes input from the user. For that, click on New File and then click on File and select Save As. I'll name this file input program.go and then click on Save. Okay, here I'm writing the code for the program that asks the user for its first name and last name and finally prints full name of the user back to the output console. So our code is running, but we are not able to input our first name here. So this is the problem. We can solve this problem by clicking on File, then select Preference, then select Settings. Type Run in Terminal here and go down a little bit and find Code Runner Run in Terminal and check this box. And cancel the settings and return back to our program. And restart Visual Studio Code. Now run the code by pressing Run Play button. Let me type my first name here. Now the last name. And you can see my full name is printed here. So this is how you can run GoLang program in Visual Studio Code. If you are interested in learning more about Go language, then be sure to check out our beginner Go programming course at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to learn how to code and become a successful programmer. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.